When it comes to land development and construction projects in Noida, it is crucial to have the expertise of professional surveyors. Surveyors Noida play a vital role in the planning and execution of various projects, ensuring accuracy and precision in the measurement and mapping of land. They are highly trained professionals who possess the knowledge and skills to accurately determine boundaries, elevations, and other critical aspects of the land. With their expertise, they provide essential information for architects, engineers, and other professionals involved in the project. One of the leading surveying firms in Noida is Scon Design. With their years of experience and a team of skilled surveyors in Noida, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the industry. Scon Design is known for their commitment to excellence and attention to detail, ensuring that every project they undertake is executed with utmost accuracy and efficiency. Their surveyors utilize the latest technology and equipment to conduct surveys, ensuring that the measurements are precise and reliable. The services offered by Scon Design Surveyors Noida are comprehensive and cater to a wide range of industries. Whether it is a residential, commercial, or industrial project, they have the expertise to handle it all. From topographic surveys to boundary surveys, they provide detailed information that is crucial for the successful completion of any project. Their surveyors also specialize in construction stakeout, which involves marking the exact locations for construction activities such as foundation placement, utilities installation, and road construction. What sets Scon Design apart from other surveying firms in Noida is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of clear communication and collaboration with their clients throughout the entire process. The knowledge of experienced surveyors is essential for land development and building projects in Noida. Surveyors Noida are essential to the design and execution of many projects because they guarantee the accuracy and precision of land measuring and mapping. They are highly skilled specialists with the knowledge and abilities needed to precisely establish the location of boundaries, elevation changes, and other important elements of the land. For architects, engineers, and other project professionals, they offer crucial information thanks to their knowledge. Scon Design is one of Noida's top surveying companies. They have made a name for themselves in the business because to their years of experience and staff of knowledgeable surveyors in Noida. Every project Scon Design takes on is carried out with the utmost accuracy and efficiency because of their dedication to quality and attention to detail. Their surveyors carry out surveys with the most up-to-date tools and technologies, guaranteeing accurate measurements. Scon Design surveyors in Noida provide comprehensive services that are catered to a variety of sectors. They have the knowledge to manage any job, whether it is residential, commercial, or industrial. They offer in-depth information that is essential for any project's effective completion, from border surveys to topographic surveys.